Light miners. Step 1. Form 2 teams of at least 3 members. Step 2. Find the lights via GPS on the app. On the map you also see your team members. Step 3. Activate torches in your team color by going to the location. Step 4. Change already activated torches into your team color by approaching with 2 players. Step 5. Get points for every second your team color is lit on the torches. Step 6. Team with most points after a specific time wins. Extra rules. 1 or 2 secret traitors in the team. Riddles and tasks to light torches.